Yahoo! Prof here, and we've got another Pokemon pulls for you. Well, today's more of a Poke haul, I would say. We've got a number of things that came in, including an empty box, guys. First up, these all came in on Monday here, is this right here, which I did already kind of open up, so you have to forgive me for that. But what's in here is a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion booster box. And what's shown up. And as you can see, it is indeed Amazon warehouse. Hamlet. Really? And now Gertrude's here too, guys. I'm doing this in the morning, actually, before work. But there you go. And I did take it because they actually had, there's nothing keeping this closed. So it had it opened up. But I didn't see anything wrong with any of the packs I had to put back in. So I'm pretty confident that this is legit. And I'm really considering live streaming it, so let me know what you all think of that. But I'm super pumped that I got another, at a fraction of the cost, I got another booster box from Amazon Warehouse that's legit, because it's hard to get booster boxes normally, period. Much less get cheap ones through Amazon Warehouse. And, well, yeah, I guess Hamlet is in the frame now. Right, buddy? Yeah. Gertrude's underneath the workbench. This is where we'll be filming from now on, more than likely. I may have to figure out some better lighting or something like that, because the light top down is brighter than this way. Next up, however, we have a whole bunch of things here. First up, we have something that was super annoying to get because they ended up needing a signature in person. I couldn't pre-sign by somebody who is 21 or older, which usually they don't really care about that age thing. But I got work. You know, everybody here has work. So having somebody, and then they wanted $6 to reroute it to the UPS store. Super annoying. But it is my 5-pack of the Spring 2021 Pokeballs. So, and one of these is, they're a little bit scuffed up. These just do not fare very well. Hopefully this then I can pop out from the inside on this Premier Ball. But yeah, I'm super pumped that those showed up. And you might have actually already seen them. Because I do try to get this, I release the new stuff sooner. Even though it might be shot later. Just so it's more in vogue, as one might say. Oh, Hamlet. Jeez, buddy. Yeah, so these finally came in. Combine that with the ones from Best Buy. Well, I definitely have one of each here. That's what I was aiming for when I ordered them up. I don't know if the ones that I got in from Walmart or the ones that came in before these, because besides the level ball, all of these could be late 2020, early 2020 models. So until I open them, I don't know which packs will be inside on the ones we picked up not from Best Buy. Just because, like I said, besides the level ball, these are all previously released. And they weren't pre-orders. Like, I could just buy them, which was odd when these weren't out yet. So I have a feeling that the ones from Walmart and previously Amazon might be the previous ones, which is fine by me. I'll just have to label them properly or something. So I remember. So let's get this back in here. last up, a little bit of a delay there, I was trying to find the right box, is we have more Amazon warehouse deals. Are we better if I turn this? No, that's way too dark. It's better lighting on that, but just because there's a light right above this workbench for working, which is nice, but it tends to reflect off all this plastic. We'll have to get better with this. For cards that I look at this way, it should be fine. Maybe I'll still do the Amazon. Let me know, guys. Might still do these Pokemon hauls on the carts. If that works better for you, just let me know. These are all Amazon warehouse deals, again, because I can't get one of those new, the Champions Path Elite Trainer boxes. Here is a Edelgauss V tin. Highly likely that this has been, based on the other ones that I have opened up, that this has been opened, all the cards taken out, and it's actually weighty though, so it's not like the Bolt Hound ones that you saw in the previous video that literally didn't even have cards in them. They just took the booster packs out and sent them back. Sketchy AF. So it at least has some weight to it. Here's one Champions Path. That's 90% sure that that thing has been just repacked with open packs. Let's see about this other one. Probably. Well, let's open them up real quick so that since it's the morning, I can box them right back up and send them back. If they are, as it seems they are, sketchy AF. Alright, Edelgauss. Oh, giant dent there. Even if I kept this one, I would want another one for my collection, because normally I don't care, but the tins are one of the things I do care about actually having in decent condition. I think this is legit. Probably because it's actually damaged. Which, as you guys know, is usually the thing that causes these to get returned legitimately. So, yeah. And ideally, I'd like to get a one that isn't all banged up. But, heck yeah, this one seems to be legit. Well, let's take a closer look and open up those packs in a bit here. I need to find a better way to make, I need to make like a clamp and like a gooseneck arm or something for this, because I don't want this big tripod in the way. And we have this nice sturdy workbench right there that I can clamp to. But for now, until I find a better solution, because that way I can sit up right next to the desk and still have you guys as high or low or whatever angle I want, until I come up with something, I get to be uncomfortable. Oh, yeah, those are all ripped open. Take a look. Well. Charizard's gone. unless it's in this big pack. But usually if it's in the big pack like that, it's on the top. And I did find a place to order one of these legitimately for like $80, which I didn't think was too bad, but at least at this time wasn't too bad. But it never shipped. And then they refunded me, but now PayPal's having an issue getting my refund back. Great. And they seem legit, but I guess not. Alright, well this one can go straight back to the old Amazon in the sky, you know? Alright, let's check this one. I'm guessing since it's the same like cellophane but not scotch tape holding it closed, same person probably had this. And same person probably pulled the same bullshit. Hey, but at least my Eldos seems like it might be legit. Yep, ripped open. And like, without a care in the world, ripped open. Like, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, they just pulled the hollow out. Of course, right? Of course. Well, these are all going back to Amazon. And in the next video, you guys can see me open up this Edelgoss V tin. Whoop whoop. Because it seems like I got a legit one. Now, this tin isn't going to be part of my collection because she took a beating. But, hey, at least I've managed to get a legitimate thing for Amazon warehouse again. Woo woo. So, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, hit subscribe, notification bell. Next Pokemon video you're going to see after this one is going to be the opening of that Edelgoss V. Shining Fates tin. We'll see what we get. I haven't opened too many of those up. Hopefully we get something good. Hopefully see you next time. As always, I'm at the Propsist. And the channel, you can find us at TechExchange The. You have a good one.